So in here we produce modular accommodation for site offices. They range in size from small setups, 2 or 3 units, up to 140, 150 5-storey setups. So in terms of the general process, we'd receive an inquiry from the client. Chris Andrews, our designer, would mock up some initial layouts for approval. Once a design is approved, Chris would create the unit production drawings, and then ultimately we would take those production drawings and build them out on the factory floor.
We don't model in 3D for every request. We do have a standard design layout, but a lot of the time it is elaborated on by the client, and yeah, it's quite challenging again to meet their needs and set out different layouts internally.
Each client and project leader will have their own requirements. Typically the units are made up of standardised products, but there is an inherent flexibility in them to do different layouts and provide different furniture and finish to support that project. Chris leverages the expertise across the team to aid him in designing the units and ensuring that they're always compliant with regulation.
So one important feature of designing any layouts is making sure it's up to regulations with regards to fire escapes and welfare provisions. So we'll closely follow the guidance set out in the building regulations, that there's fire doors where they need to be, right amount of stairs, their width, and also number of toilets even, quite critical to get right on a building site.
So we're continuously looking to improve the product and the offering that we provide. We've actually got a test unit in the factory where we trial new products, all the way from new taps through to new doors, new panels, new finishes, and it really gives us an opportunity to trial something before we offer it out, and it helps us maintain our market position, and the quality of the units is continuously improving. So our USP really is the speed at which we get on site and get the units handed over. A lot of work goes into the units in the factory in terms of all the plumbing, electrics and testing. So the units go out pretty much ready to plug and play, and it's a very, very short turnaround from landing the modular units to them being trimmed out and then connected to mains, water, electricity, and to get the furniture in, and really that's our key differentiator in the market. So we're really happy with the finished product that goes out onto site. The feel of the offices are fantastic. They're great at improving employee welfare. They're certainly a far cry from the types of temporary accommodation you'd have 5, 10 years ago. And the feedback we get from clients around that is fantastic.